Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So first I just want to show you guys these two slimes. Today's will be a slime video. So first it's a slime that's actually a clear slime. Let's clean it up. So it's like a really thick, it's not really as thick, but it's like white, so I'm trying to make it clear up. Really stretchy. I would stretch it, but like I have to hold the phone. So okay, let me do something like this. So I don't know if you caught that. Oh, maybe I can do it. Okay. So yeah, there it is. It's a really nice slime. Really playful. Kind of feels a little. It got that like weird texture. And there's this slime that's a purple, fluffy slime. My favorite slimes now are fluffy and taking. So it's like you can poke it, kind of like the other one, but like it's fluffy and maybe a little bit more thicker, or let's say less thicker. But it's really fluffy. It took forever to eat it. I had to add more activator in it when eating it. My other fluffy slimes don't really do that. I think it's because I added water into it, then carried on with the regular paste of the shaving cream, the baking soda, and as you can see, it's a purple one there. So today's video, we will actually be making slime backwards. So I don't think I have done this on my channel, but this is like my little desktop, little whole thing. And this is like my desktop where I have all my slime ingredients. Okay, let me see if I can fit all these on here. I put this in there sometimes. So hold on, let me close it. Okay, go. So the first ingredient that so we're gonna be doing backwards. So the last ingredient I normally add is the shaving cream. So yeah. The only reason I love this shaving cream is because it smells so good. Anyways, it's really slow. So then like the second to last ingredient I add is maybe this. No, I don't. Oh, well, whatever. I'll just add it in. I probably don't really know how much. So then we would probably add in my baking soda. Okay, guys, I feel like this is not gonna work because it gets all backwards. Then I add my baking soda. I don't really want to put color to this, so then we will probably like add some water. Just gonna barely add some water. There. It's in there. Okay, and then we can finally add my clear glue. Or white glue, but I normally put clear glue. I normally put white glue, but yeah, I started using this clear glue. Okay, time to mix. How am I gonna pop up this camera to mix this? So I'm gonna put these slimes over here. Okay, so like this. Okay, perfect. Now where's my spoon? I have like an other spoon, but I don't know where it's at. It's not a spoon, it's actually and yeah, this like overall thing I'm wearing, it's like for the snow. So yeah. I'm probably gonna have to add more activator. Yeah. But I kinda gotta do this backwards. So I don't think I can add any other ingredients. But I feel like this is not gonna work because it's all like not good. So I have to add some of it. This is like a really small bowl. Okay, so I think it's coming together. Yeah. Coming together. Goes. Probably gonna add some color in after. Get this off my hands. You know what? It's gonna get dirty anyway. I'll wash my hands later. stay clean with the towel later. Okay, now let's just add like a lot of this. Got into this. This is like too much. Okay, I'm just gonna put that rest of that pinch in there. So this is breaking. Probably gonna have to knead this. Probably gonna knead it in like a second. Okay, maybe like right now. Let's put this in here. This is kind of like the other slime. I think it was because I keep adding like water. Like the water makes it like harder to. Is this a hair? No, it's a string. Ow. I have to wash my hands. Okay. I actually had to make raw towels though. So basically, this is how like it's more in here. So this is like it's like a really nice thing. I like it. Probably have to let it sit. Can't really poke at the moment. Oh, my dad talked about football. Like, I know how to play football. Like, if you like, it's like a foul. It's like somebody just run up and hit you for like no reason. Maybe if like you have the ball, they'll probably take it. But if they do that for no reason, it's a foul. Like if they don't give them a foul, it's like basically a cheat. And if the foul person, they're usually white. I'm not being racist, but they're usually white. And then like it's like probably the person's part of the black, other person was white. And then they was like, okay, I don't really care more what them cheat, cause that person black and this person white, so like, yeah. Like Donald Trump. I'm sorry who like Donald Trump out there. But Donald Trump, he just like so rude. I don't know about his wife. I feel like his wife don't really love him. Probably shouldn't. Cause like he's so old. I bet people like, what a strange relationship. She just gotta act happy like, at least I got my money. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's all she really wants. I bet she's just like faking it. Cause she's like 45. She look really young, and he's like, I bet that's not like, my dad's so old. Like, so how old are you, Dad? You're like 75. But he's like, oh, yeah, I'll just go to my room. I'd have been like, Google. Oh, that's what I'll probably ask. Cause I think I asked my parents, like, I'm not gonna tell you my dad's age, but so it's kind of working. It's coming together. I think I might add. I'm gonna let this sit. I'm gonna knead it real quick. I think this is kind of a fail. No, really, I think it's hair in there. Okay. let it sit. Probably gonna throw this away because I don't really like it. I mean, we can poke, but it's not really. Like she's kind of shrinking. I like them shrink slimes, so I'm gonna throw this away. It was kind of like a fail, I don't really know, so comment below what you think this is. It's a fail. I mean, I got the ears kind of a half, maybe. It's a maybe. Because it's shrinking and I like it. So it's a I'm probably going to throw this top away too. Anyways, this is my outro. Always gonna be my outro. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I know, what is this? This is like for outside. Like maybe like 2 hours ago, I was from outside playing in the snow, and I probably like still cut this on. But like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will be doing an intro video like I do on my other phone because I have to. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Remember, put on the post notifications. Post notifications. Put on the comments hashtag notification subscribe, and I'll subscribe to your YouTube channel. Even if you don't post, I'm still subscribed because I'm awesome. Bye, guys.